Welcome to the Explainer, everyone. Let's jump right in, because today we're breaking down a massive opportunity in the heavy electric vehicle space. If you're an engineer looking to make a really serious impact, you need to pay close attention to this. Propel Industries is hosting a major walk-in recruitment drive for EV service engineers, and we've got all the details for you. Seriously, ask yourself, are you ready to power up your engineering career? We're not just talking about passenger cars here, guys. This is your chance to step right into the future of heavy commercial vehicles and directly align your career ambitions with the absolute cutting edge of industrial electrification. Section 1. The EV service role. Okay, let's dive into this specific opportunity to see what Propel Industries is actually looking for. Propel Industries is actively hiring service engineers specifically for heavy-duty EV construction and mining tippers. Let me be super clear. This isn't your average, comfortable garage mechanic gig. No way. This is a highly specialized, hands-on role where you'll literally be out in the field, supporting these massive, heavy-duty electric dump trucks. What's really fascinating here is the sheer scale of the equipment. An EV construction and mining tipper is a heavy commercial electric dump truck built for the absolute toughest environments out there. We're talking mining industries, large-scale construction sites, massive infrastructure projects, and heavy material transportation. The machinery you'll be responsible for is quite literally building the modern world around us. Section 2. Responsibilities and core duties. Let's move right on to your daily tasks, because understanding your impact is absolutely crucial to seeing if this demanding role is the right fit for you. You're going to need to master a really unique blend of traditional heavy mechanics and modern EV tech. You'll be diagnosing the whole shebang, everything from advanced electric drivetrain systems and high-voltage battery controllers to the heavy-lifting hydraulic systems, brakes, suspension, and, of course, intricate electrical wiring and sensors. You are essentially the vital diagnostician for these absolute beasts of machines. Beyond just the high-tech diagnostics, your core operational duties involve performing essential preventative maintenance and directly supporting customers right there in the dirt at the active project or mining sites. You'll be attending to sudden vehicle breakdowns out in the field and coordinating closely with technical teams for repairs and spare parts. You're basically the crucial on-site problem solver, keeping multi-million-dollar infrastructure projects moving forward. Section 3. Qualifications and experience needed. With those intense duties in mind, let's see if your background matches their ideal profile. So, mechanical engineering versus electrical engineering. Whether you hold a diploma, a BE, or a BTech, the really great news here is that both of these educational pathways are equally valid starting points. A background in either makes you fully eligible to apply. They need mechanical experts who can learn the EV side and electrical experts who can handle the heavy vehicle systems. It's a perfect synergy. But, education is only a part of the equation. 3+. That's the magic number. You need a minimum of 3 years of experience in EV commercial vehicles. Actually, let me emphasize that. Having that hands-on time is the absolutely crucial point for this application. You need to have spent time getting your hands dirty in the commercial space. Let's break down that ideal candidate experience a bit further. If you spent those 3 years working on electric buses, EV trucks, electric heavy vehicles, managing EV fleet maintenance, doing general commercial vehicle service, or working directly with construction and mining equipment, you hold a distinct advantage. If you know how to maintain heavy commercial fleets, Propel Industries wants you on their team for sure. Section 4. Walk-in drive logistics. All right, let's shift gears to the actionable part of our explainer and look at how you actually go out and secure this role. I'd highly recommend you take a quick screenshot of this right now, because it's got every vital detail you need to attend. The drive is happening on Sunday, May 17th, 2026. Things kick off bright and early at 8:30 a.m. onwards in Hyderabad. If you need to reach out beforehand, you've got the email address right there, mughal@propelinc.com, and a direct contact number for calls or WhatsApp ready to go. For those of you making the trip, here's the exact venue. Madhura Engineering Services Private Limited, located on the first floor of Sri Satya Sai Sri Sampada Parkview Enclave in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Make sure you map this out the night before, plan your route, and definitely remember to arrive early to beat the crowd and make a stellar first impression. And please, whatever you do, don't show up empty-handed. Let's run through this checklist of essential paperwork real quick before you leave your house. You absolutely got to bring an updated resume or CV, all relevant educational certificates, your experience documents proving that 3+ years of work, recent passport size photos, and a valid ID proof. Double-check this list so you aren't turned away at the door. Now, here's a very important detail regarding the work location. While the interview takes place in Hyderabad, the job itself is pan-India. This means selected candidates could be posted literally anywhere across the country based on where Propel Industries' active projects and company requirements are located. You need to be mobile, adaptable, and ready to go exactly where the action is. Section 5. Future Career Growth. Okay, let's talk about what happens after you actually land the job and prove yourself out in the dirt and dust of the field. There's an incredible, clear-cut, step-by-step promotion staircase waiting for you here. You start as a service engineer, sure, but the upward mobility is just fantastic. From there, your hard work can advance you to senior service engineer, step you up to an area service manager, transition you into a technical support manager, and eventually you could climb all the way to the top as after-sales or service head. To really capture the bigger picture here, consider this quote from the source. Since EV-heavy vehicles are a growing sector in India, experience in this field can be valuable for future opportunities. Getting in on the ground floor of the heavy EV mining sector right now is a real game changer. It offers massive, forward-looking potential for the rest of your career. So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative question. Are you ready to lead the charge in India's heavy electric infrastructure revolution? If you've got the engineering background, the grit for fieldwork, and a genuine passion for EV tech, update that resume and get yourself to Hyderabad on May 17th. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Stay focused and keep learning.